In the video on Subway Surfers because I haven't made a video in almost 1 year, guys. And it's 2018. I'm 9 years old now. Last year I was 8 years old, but this time I'm 9 years old. So let's play Subway Surfers, guys. So you can see I have no blank picture, and yeah, done. So we're just gonna play this game until we lose, probably. I'm gonna probably play this game for like a long time, like probably like 10 minutes, I don't know. You can see, guys. So I finished the part 1 of the flowers. You can see right there. Yeah, guys. So yeah, I'm on level 6. Sorry guys, I haven't made a video in almost 1 year, but this time I'm gonna start making a lot of videos, guys, this year. Well, it's summertime now because school finished for me. If school didn't finish for you, I would say good luck on school because school is pretty hard, but I passed and I'm going to 4th grade, guys. Oopsie, my mistake. Guys, like, guys, just ad. Don't worry. I don't know. Really? Wow. I just lost, guys. This is crazy nuts. Alright, guys. Guys, I think I'm gonna buy a character because I have a lot. Oh, that's cool. That's a good parrot. What? Oh, we got a new character. Let's check it. Should I get this one? Or this one? Probably save my money, guys. How about some skateboards? Having a skateboard. Ooh, the car skateboard, but you have to pay for it. These skateboards are actually really expensive, guys. Probably gonna save a lot of money, guys. Let's play, guys. This is good music, guys. I like this music. So guys, I'm gonna pause you real quick. So like, you guys are back. So make sure you dig it, guys. I'm gonna end the video here. So thanks for watching, and y'all are great people. So bye.